Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is I want to show you all some pairs I've been getting recently to hold on to. Some of these are from 2012, some 2012 Jordan 4s, so I think y'all are going to like this video. We got some really cool stuff to show y'all. Of course, there's some other stuff that hasn't quite landed yet today. Is on the way that, we're holding on to. I'll let y'all know what that is, and we'll just kind of go over these sneakers. One of them is actually going to be retro this year, so I'll kind of show y'all that. Pretty cool one. So, again, if y'all want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like. Let's try and hit 200 likes on this video. Again, means a lot to me. Just lets me know that y'all want more content like this, and of course I can deliver on that. Just let me know. And again, if you want to start copying more sneakers for retail, don't forget to check us out down below at HYPELABS. This is what we do. We show members how they can start getting more pairs in to hold, just to source. I'm gonna be dropping a lot of these at the end of the year to members for under market, and we already do under market deals daily. I got some more coming tonight, so don't miss out. Get in that wait list below, start learning how to consistently profit as a reseller, and don't miss out because that's what we do. So hope to see y'all there down below on that wait list. You can get in, and that's for Europe, Canada, Asia, wherever you're located, pretty much global, so you'll be able to get info wherever you're at or make profitable flips, and the deals are international. So I hope y'all will enjoy. See y'all down below on that wait list, and let's get into showing y'all some of the pairs that we got for, well, this video. So one of the first ones I want to quickly go over right here, we do have the eBay SB Dunk Low. I have another size 8. I got a pretty good deal on this one. I think I paid $135. It's either $135 or $140, but this is just another pair that I see going up in the future, just because, again, these can sign really well. I've seen pairs sell for up to $300 in stores, so again, it is one of those sneakers that if you get them to the right people, they sell for a very high price. So it's one of those things. Also, it's a really great retro. If you think about the story behind this one, again, with the whole SB name, having Sandy Bodecker on the insoles, again, one of the creators and founders of pretty much the SB name. I mean, if you think about how big Nike skateboarding is now, I think it's a great sneaker, because the eBay SB, one of the most iconic SBs of all time, was pretty much the start of Nike SB, right? Like the huge push for it, okay? And a lot of people are familiar with Sandy Bodecker, so I just think with what this sneaker is based off, also like having that creator's touch on it, the design, I know it's a little bit out there, and some people are like, they don't rock with like how the sneaker actually sweats when you wear it, just because, again, the 3 portions where it's cut through, you guys can see that actually on these 3 portions where it's cut through, it actually kind of would turn, it kind of gets like kind of foggy when you're wearing them with socks, it like kind of sweats. It's weird, like if you were to wear them when it's hot outside. So definitely a different sneaker, but one I'd add these to the personal collection. It's a really cool shoe. I like the story behind them, and just because of that, I think they'll be going up. So first one I want to discuss with you guys, some eBay SBs, holding them long term, because just a cool sneaker, like a lot different than your average SB, and I think that puts it out there. But aside from that, I really want to show y'all some of these pairs, or these 2 pairs that we got right here, because they are very rare Jordan 4s. Nowadays, you would not be seeing these, especially in the condition they're in. These are both dead stock, and I want to show y'all, of course, they have aged a bit because of, the time that, they've been around since 2012. So you guys can see these are Jordan 4 breads. Those are the original size tags, size 9.5. You can see Jordans don't look like this. The box is different. You got the ring right there on the side, the big size tag. It's a lot different now. But let me show y'all this as well, because this doesn't come with most Jordan 4s also. But this is on both of the pairs present. So let me show this to you guys. But what we got right here, so we got not one pair of Jordan 4 breads from 2012, but I was lucky enough to find, I was lucky enough to find 2 of these. And as you guys can see, of course, with the size tag, you can see it's a little bit, I got some yellow in with that, just because, again, the age from these, the sneakers, of course, fading a little bit. Would I wear these? The answer, honestly, for a sneaker like this, I probably wouldn't wear them at this point. If I was going to wear these, it would have been, a few years ago. And also, there is the 2019 version, so I could go to that instead of this one right here. But just another very cool sneaker I want to show to you guys. I don't feel like I need to necessarily have both of them out to review them with you all, but there is the size tag we have on them. There we go. Also, on these as well, there we go. There's that, tag that we have. We don't see this on Jordan 4s a lot anymore. They really don't include this. I think this would be a nice thing to see, kind of return. Hopefully we'll see that on some retros for, this pair later this year. There is, don't forget, a version for the sneaker that is rumored to be on the way, kind of like an aged look for the shoe. So it would probably look something like this, to be honest, other than the sole, probably being a little bit more yellow. It would look very similar to this, though. I'm very sure of that, and the reason for that is just because, again, there already is some like natural yellowing on the sneaker, and that's rumored to be on the way. So just another really cool Jordan 4 I want to show you guys, because it is kind of like a piece of sneaker history, and I was actually excited to get these into review, because you just don't see these every day anymore, especially in dead stock condition. And we didn't just get one of them, we were able to secure 2 pairs of this, so that's why I was very happy about it. You know, I feel like I got lucky finding these 2, just bought them off the same person, and yeah, you know, they've just been a collector for a while. They had these, and you know, it's always good to buy off somebody that, you know, just maybe doubled up back then or tripled up back then and only has been wearing one of them. So, you know, they're like, oh, I got these 2 ones I just never wore, been keeping them since, and yeah, cool story. So glad to have these now. Overall, I mean, you don't see these. Also, the touch, the red, black, and white, like, probably one of the best Jordan 4s ever. The personal opinion. I don't think you could go wrong with something like this, and obviously Nike killed these, so love this detail. Or love the details, not this detail. But also the aging on the tag, I think that's kind of sick. Like, seeing how this is yellowed a little bit over time, it's nice to see. Just shows you that, like, it's aged, and, you know, it's, like, authentic with it as well. But yeah, we got both of these ones, and again, should be a retro on the way. So let me know what you guys think. Would you cop the retro pair of these? Again, it's gonna be having an aged look. Not something quite like this, but something similar. And again, we did this for HYPELABS members. Somebody got this, one of these pairs. You can look at the market right now for size 9.5, it's like $450. Someone got a pair for $310. So again, we're always dropping the under market deals, and that's a piece of sneaker history that someone got for a great deal. So don't miss out. That's what we're always doing, and that's another one I got in recently to hold. One I sold, one I'm just putting in the vault because again, I'm a huge fan of it. Like, I got a few ones I'm just not selling, like Doritos, these, just because I value the pairs a lot, and they're actually really cool, and they're also all my size. So, you know, that's you know, might wear them down eventually down the line. Probably not these though, since again, they're just older. They probably crumble pretty easily, you know what I mean? But yeah, 2 Bred 4s, pretty happy about that. Excuse me. But also, another cool thing I just want to show to y'all, because like, you don't see the size tag like this nowadays. Like, you see the differences, you know what I mean? Like, it's a lot different, but these aged pretty well. I'm happy with this. A little bit better than the other pair, but that's just how it is sometimes. Depends on how they're stored, things like that. But yeah, aside from those, if you haven't seen the recent inventory video, some other sneakers, again, more eBay SBs. Also got some lottery dunks on the way, and I've been starting to consign these dunks right here, the fuchsia dunk glow, the pink and white ones. Also been getting in some more accessories, but these are starting to sell really, really well with back to school time, and you just can't go wrong with like a pink and white dunk, so been getting those. And of course, we're gonna be adding these 2 right here. Got the Doritos SBs. These keep rising. I mean, again, they're very, very limited at this point. So if you're finding a pair, make sure it's legit, and you know, try and get that pair, because it's gonna be higher in price 2 weeks later, literally. I mean, they've been rising every week. The progress is pretty nuts on that pair of SBs, but that's really everything I need to say. It's very simple unboxing, just some eBay SBs, Bred 4s, fuchsia dunks. Also, you know, got some, you know, more Azure slides. You know, we've been getting those into hold as well, just because I see those going up in price in the future, and maybe some personal pairs on the way. I had some other ones that I wanted to show you on this video, like some clothing accessories. I might add that in. I'll probably cut it into the video. You know, why don't we do that? We're gonna cut that part in. Just once it arrives, I'll show you all that. We'll unbox some clothing stuff, because we got some more of that, you know, we're putting in the inventory as well, just holding on to, don't think it'll restock, things like that. But probably my favorite purchase of this whole video would be these Bred 4s. Oh, also, we did have the Ja 1 shock drop. It was on July 25th. It was right at like 10 a.m. Eastern time. I was actually at the dentist's office, but I did happen to hit on a size 10.5. As you guys can see, you want to show this to you all. It's for the EYBL pair. I believe that is the name for it, but overall it looks pretty nice. Like, it seems like it'd be a decent pair to wear. I got a size 10.5, so a typical size I go for on this account. Nothing really too crazy. A little bit of a flip at the moment, but you know, just something you know, we can show you on HYPELABS. We had the info like 30 minutes before, made sure everybody was ready, and lots of people copped. So yeah, probably a good flip on like Go Alias, definitely local, and there was only like 10,000 pairs, so overall wasn't too many of them, but just waiting on UPS to come. Hopefully they will, because I know there's like the whole UPS strike right now, but we're gonna see, you know, because I got some clothing coming today. Hopefully I'm gonna show you all that, and we'll unbox it in a second, so see y'all then, hopefully. And I wanted to show more, oh, excuse me, sorry, my phone was playing. And I wanted to show more stuff in this video, but it just doesn't seem like that's gonna happen. I think actually UPS delayed my stuff till tomorrow. Hopefully it delivers, but I know there's the whole UPS strike going on right now, so we'll see. But if y'all want more sneaker unboxing content, shock drop review content, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget, I was trying to 200 likes in this video, and my friend and I's group down below. If y'all want to become a better reseller today, that's what we can teach you how to do, is show you how to get more pairs into resale. If you want to learn how to source more sneakers, again, we can teach you that. You know, how to find ones for good deals, not overpay on them, and then also our under market deals every day, exclusive brick flip calls, free ACO, learning how to bot, having botters run for you, getting early info on all drops. You won't miss out on, for example, shock drops and things like that are profitable. But that's it. Actually in the middle of editing this video right now, as you guys can see, and that's what we're really going to get into. So I hope to catch you on the next video. See y'all then, and peace out.